What's up, everybody? Thank you guys for coming back. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few things that I think will make your travel experience a whole lot better. I wrote everything down and I have a few of the items here. I do have a few items that I'm going to insert in and do like a little cutaway so you guys will be able to see those. Those are things that I've ordered but have not come in as yet. But it's June and I really want to get these videos up because I have a whole little series for you guys of like updated what's in my carry-on, what's in my makeup bag, what's in my plain makeup bag, like a whole bunch of different things. So I'm excited for you guys to see these, and I feel like the way that I'm talking about it and the way that I've set it up, these are classic items. These are things that are not like trendy, not like, you know, this or that. These are things you will always need. So once you have this video and once you watch it once, you'll kind of get the knowledge and hopefully put these things into play for your upcoming travels, or you know, you always have it to reference back. So I will have links for as many things that I can down below. So let's just get right into the video. So the first product that I think is crucial to packing, especially if you're going on like a 2-week trip or a week-long trip, packing cubes. Packing cubes are gonna come in so much use for you guys. You can organize your packing cubes by type of clothing. So like the smaller ones I usually keep for like underwear, bathing suits, bras, sports bras, stuff like that. The second one I'll keep for like tops and dresses, tank tops, things like that. The larger one I'll go ahead and keep for like I don't know, like sweaters or like jeans and like those kinds of things. Now these are 3 that I got, but they do have on Amazon the ones that have 5 packing cubes, which is what I have in my suitcase. This is just some extras that I picked up in case I needed extra packing cubes, because sometimes I'll be like really packing and I need more, and then I don't have them. So I just picked up a few more, but I will have links to both of these. Hopefully this one, I got this one actually at TJ Maxx. Side note, TJ Maxx is a really great place to look for travel items. A few of the things that I did pick up were from TJ Maxx. So as much as I can find on Amazon, I will find it and link it, but also make sure you check TJ Maxx before you know, if you're not like an online shopper. So yeah, these are really cool. I love these. The mesh, it really expands and you can really like fit a lot of things in there. And honestly, people rave about it because it's so true. Like they really do condense space. You're not packing, you're not overpacking, you know where all your outfits are. One tip that I do want to share with you guys is plan your outfits out. So literally buy bra, underwear, pants, top, accessories, you know, literally plan it out. I feel like that's one way you can be extremely organized and you don't have to waste time going through your luggage trying to figure out an outfit. Like you already have them planned. I think that's a great thing to do right before your trip. I love doing that because when I'm on a trip, I really don't want to stress out about what am I gonna wear. We're usually in a rush. We come from the pool, we have to get ready really quickly to go to dinner. I'm sure you guys know how it is, but I would definitely just organize myself that way. That way I literally just have to pick up a bag, pull it out, and go do what I gotta do. So you can actually do that with your packing cubes if you want to, or you can actually get these resealable bags. These I got from TJ Maxx. It literally says 12-piece set, clear for takeoff, 12 resealable bags. So they have really large ones and then smaller ones. What I love is that this is the perfect size to fit an outfit in. So if you have a dress or if you have like a romper or, you know, leggings and a shirt or even jeans, you can try to squish it out. I'm not sure how the jeans are gonna fit in here, but like everything else you can just kind of pack in there. You can also use these to store like shampoos and stuff like that. So the next thing I really love is this little makeup bag. It has lips all over it. I love it. I think it's perfect. It's from the brand Tender Love and Carry. It opens up like this and I live for this style of makeup bag. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I actually have one of these in my makeup kit. So on this side I keep my oily skin products and on this side I keep my dry skin products. And then in here I'll have like just essentials like lip products and like lip masks and things like that. So for when I'm packing, and I will definitely show you guys how I pack this, that's gonna be in a separate video. This is gonna have all of my skincare down here and all of my makeup up here. and then in here I'll just kind of put like random things, but I love that. And this I can just carry around easily. It's not too big. It fits really nicely. Everything in here. And then I could just literally drop this in my carry-on or drop this in my suitcase. This I got, of course, from TJ Maxx as well. I genuinely love TJ Maxx, like I said, for makeup bags, for travel bags, for random traveling accessories. TJ Maxx is definitely the place to check out if you have not, or if you are trying to find these. The next things that I picked up are a bunch of travel little containers. I love these things. These I got from TJ Maxx. This stuff I absolutely love for my makeup kit because it stores everything you need it to store. But I actually picked these up to take with me on the plane if I needed to do something quick on the plane to refresh my skin, or you know, my plain skincare. So I will share that with you guys, like my plain skincare, my plain makeup, things to do on the plane if you're trying to get ready on the plane. But then I decided to go the silicone bottle route, and I actually think I want to do this a lot more. So I'm going to save those other travel sizes for if I need anything in my kit. But these are so nice, you guys. They are silicone, so they're that squishy feel. I like this because when you fill this up with stuff, you can actually open it up if you need to get right down to the bottom of it. You get every single last drop. With the other ones, you can't really do that. So this one I love for that reason. And these are 2 fluid ounces, the big ones. So the 3 fluid ounces are for like shampoo and conditioner. The other ones are 2 fluid ounces, and these are for like cream, body lotion, whatever you want. They also come with these toothbrush covers, which I'm obsessed with, so I love those. And then these little silicone jars, which is so nice. You can put like eye cream in here, or like makeup remover, or like just whatever you want. These are so nice and they're so squishy, and you get literally all the product out, so I love that. So the next thing I have to share is this pill box. I think having pills on the plane is absolutely necessary. You never know when you might have a headache, or you know, you have cramps, or you know, you feel sick on the plane, you need something, vitamins, anything. I think it's really good to have, and especially if you are one of those people that suffer from allergies, you just pop your pills in here, girl, and you are set. You have it all in one place. So this is really cool, and it has Monday to Sunday in here. And then you just close that up, pop that right into your little travel bag, and you are good to go. I did get this from TJ Maxx. It was $6.99. So not bad. So the next thing I definitely recommend is a travel size straightener or a curling iron, whatever you prefer. I picked up this one because I feel like I can do like I can straighten my hair and I can curl it with the curling wand, so it's fine. This one heats up to 400 degrees and it's a 1/2 inch ceramic plate. I really like it. I feel like it's very nice and small and handy. You can go ahead and straighten the ends really quickly, or you can do like a curl and curl your hair if you don't have a curling wand. So I think this is really nice and handy, and it's perfect to have in the hotel rooms if you guys are staying at hotels or at family's house. I'm sure they have blow dryers, but not everyone has like a curling iron or a flat iron, so I think this is really nice to carry around. Along the lines of tools, I would absolutely recommend getting like a portable steamer. I got one from, where was it? Walmart. And I'm obsessed with this thing. So when I'm going for like, I'm gonna be in like Indian wear to unwrinkle my like saris and my shalwars and stuff like that. So a portable steamer is great, and especially if you're going for an event like that and you know you're scared that your clothes may get wrinkled and you might not have an iron, or you might not have this or that. The steamer is really, really great. It's very small, it's compact, so it's not gonna take up too much space, and if you have the space to take it, I would absolutely recommend taking it. Of course, in the hotel rooms, they have like irons and stuff like that, so you don't have to, but I think it's a really good idea, especially for like Indian outfits. So something I like doing on the plane is I actually like to take a notebook and a pen and just kind of write down whatever is going through my mind, whatever ideas I have, anything I'm thinking, just kind of like a travel notebook, plans that I want to do, things that I want to do when I'm in that country or that place, and just have it all nicely in a book. I personally like this one fits inside my bag nicely. so I'm like not that concerned with the size, and I love the fact that I can just make lists and plan. That's just me. I love doing that. If you're the same way, give this video a thumbs up, but I need to have a plan or like an itinerary like in view. Like I need to see it. Whether it goes through or not, I need to know that these are the things that we're gonna do. So I love this one. And it just says New York. It's like taking a little piece of home with me, so I'm into it. The next thing that I did get from TJ Maxx, I know this sounds like a whole TJ Maxx haul. I actually was featured on the TJ Maxx's Instagram page talking about all my travel essentials, so this is why it seems familiar. You've probably seen it on there. The next thing that I did get was this wake up and makeup little eye mask. I think it's so nice. I love the fact that it's a Velcro and you literally, like, you can just do that and it's not going over your head and you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to ruin your hair. This one fits really nicely around your head. Doesn't matter what the size is, if it's bigger, if it's smaller, it's just right. So I like that. It kind of looks like a bra. Then the next things that I want to talk about are things that I actually don't have with me right now, but I will insert pictures as I'm talking about them. I think these things are really, really good and should be essentials for your traveling. So the first thing that I have is a portable foldable water bottle. You never want to go in with a full water bottle because you're just gonna have to throw it out if you don't drink it out before TSA. Again, you don't have to do this, but this is if you're like a constant traveler and you know you're into this kind of stuff, I guess. Not everyone's into it. Some people are practical. I like to have designated things for designated things. Next thing that I would absolutely recommend having is a bag organizer. So I have one of those big, deep bags that everybody and their mother has that just like goes in. It's like a big tote bag. It is such a hassle when you're just throwing shit in your bag and it's not organized, especially those bags. For me personally, I am traveling with a backpack. I've personally come to like traveling with a backpack more just because it fits my laptop. It's like on my back, I don't have to worry about it, my hands are free, and it has a ton of pockets so I can stick a bunch of different things in there, so it's totally perfect for me. But I like to have a bag organizer, especially if I'm using those types of bags, and then especially if I am traveling with that same bag and walking around with it. Keeping like a really nice makeup organizer that has a brush holder in it. I will link that. I personally am not concerned with like brushes because I have like little travel brushes, but some people like to bring their actual brushes. So this one has like a little slots on the top for your brushes. You can put your lip pencils, you can put anything like pencil form like related in the top, and then in the bottom it just has a bunch of open areas where you can put your skincare, you can put your makeup. That's if you're like one of those like really crazy, I need all of my makeup, I need to pack as much makeup as I can with me. I personally, when I go on vacation, sometimes I'm like that, but for the most part, I'm just like one eyeshadow palette and that's it. I'll make it work. I don't want to be bothered. Another thing that I would recommend is a scarf. I don't know if you guys can see that yellow scarf right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see. That scarf I got from Zara. It's actually a men's scarf. It's a Zara man scarf. I genuinely am obsessed with it. It is large as hell and it's very lightweight, but when you wrap it around you, it is the warmest thing ever. I'm gonna take that and keep it in my carry-on. I am going to Guyana and it is summer, so it's not gonna be super duper cold. But flying to Guyana, it is a night flight, so I do need like a little blanket or something like that. I'm not trying to pay for a pillow or a blanket, bro. Like, get out of here with that. Another thing they make you pay for is food and snacks. That's why I recommend getting a bento box. I love these little bento boxes. You can get them at TJ Maxx, you can get them at Walmart, anywhere that has like kids lunch boxes. Get yourself a bento box and put like nuts, put fruits, put like dried things in there, put chips. You can put all these different things in all the different compartments and then lock it up, throw it into your purse, and you have snacks for the trip. Airport food is so expensive, so expensive. You can pack like a sandwich, you can pack like a bunch of things in there, and then it all holds it in like one place. And I would absolutely recommend doing that. It saves you money. You know what you're getting, you know what you're eating, and it's healthy, and you have it readily available. It's not, you don't have to wait in line, you don't have to miss your flight, you don't have to go on your flight and pay for it. have your water bottle, have your bento box, and you are good for that couple of hours that you're on the flight. The next thing that I would definitely recommend is getting a jewelry organizer. I normally take my jewelry with me in my handbag or my carry-on just because you don't want to pack that into your suitcase. Things can get stolen, the suitcase can get lost, all your nice jewelry is like gone. So keep it close to you, all of your valuables. But this jewelry organizer I love. It is the cutest thing ever. It fits everything. It has a slot for rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, everything. And it's cute and concise and I love it. Something else I'd recommend getting is one of these guys right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little bit out of frame. But it has a plug that you can plug in stuff, and it has 4 USB ports. And it has a long wire that plugs into the wall. I shared that in my last carry-on video, but I would absolutely still recommend it. I think it's perfect. It's long. It fits everything. Your fellow passengers, if any, will thank you for it because you have 4 ports. If you're charging your laptop, it's great. Lay or a layover, you have current. So I think that's really great, especially in this day and age. Everyone needs to stay charged. Everyone has something to do on their laptop. Like, it's a different world. The next thing I would definitely recommend, especially if you're like me and you take pictures constantly, it's a solar power charger. So you keep that like on your backpack or out in the sun, and it solarly charges the charger. Always forgetting to charge with current my charger, so if I'm able to just kind of put my charger in the sun and it gets some juice and I'm able to charge my phone, I am so happy with it. So I cannot wait to receive that one. I'm so excited for that. Also, something that I think is really great is getting a portable fan. I have a portable fan that I like to use in my makeup kit. That's definitely the one that I'm going to use when I go to Guyana. It's literally a USB pop-up fan. It has 3 speeds, low, medium, and high, of course. It works so freaking well. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. So that's really nice, especially if you're going to a hot country and like, you don't want to have a fan like that. You just kind of want to hold something. So nice, so good. Better than the Disney ones that spray water. So I'm obsessed with that. I actually think that's it. That's all that's on my little list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you did down below, and also please let me know if you guys have any cool travel accessories. Leave a link down below. Tell me about it. I would absolutely love to know. Maybe I'll do a part 2 if I see some things that I like in the comment, and I'll maybe pick it up. So yeah, for sure. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Thumbs up this video if you guys would like to see more, and I will talk to you guys in another one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on Reesiibabe and Rees MUA. See ya.